In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Apple gift card to buy iCloud storage. This process is pretty straightforward and I'll guide you step by step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. So let's dive right in and help you get more iCloud storage using your gift card. First things first, you need to redeem your Apple gift card. Start by opening the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you have the App Store open, look towards the top right corner and you'll see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture to continue. This will open up your account page. Now you want to look for the option that says redeem gift card or code. It's typically a few taps down from your profile picture. Once you tap on that, you'll be given the option to redeem your gift card. You can choose to use your camera to scan the code on your gift card, which is super handy and quick if you have the physical card with you. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can enter the code manually. After you've successfully redeemed the gift card, the balance will be credited to your Apple ID, and this balance will be available for use in the App Store, iTunes, and for other Apple services. Now let's move on to upgrading your iCloud storage with that balance. Start by opening your device's settings app. Scroll down a bit until you see your name at the top of the screen, which indicates your Apple ID settings. Tap on your name and then you'll see iCloud. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you should see the option Manage Account Storage. Select it to proceed. In this step, you want to tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. This section allows you to expand your storage options beyond the standard free plan. You will be presented with different storage plans to choose from, including options for 50GB, 200GB, or 2TB of storage. Depending on how much storage you anticipate needing, you can select the plan that best suits your requirements. Once you've decided on a storage plan, tap the Buy button to proceed. When you do this, your Apple ID balance, which now includes the amount from your gift card, will be automatically used to pay for the storage plan you've selected. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've redeemed your Apple gift card and used it to upgrade your iCloud storage. Whether you're managing important documents, beloved photos, or essential backups, having the extra storage ensures everything is safely kept in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Enjoy your expanded iCloud space.